Next. Source of finance, the remaining questions. Last session we have discussed up to 10 questions. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Zero coupon bonds. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah. Next one. Short notes on deep discount bond. Short notes on deep discount bonds. It is a form of zero interest bond, similar to zero coupon bond only. Sold at a discounted value. Sold at a discounted value. Maturity based on the face value. So issued at discount and mature at par, the face value. No interest payout during lock-in, that is called lock-in period. During the lock-in period, no interest. It's a zero interest fund. And it can be traded in the market. Okay. Two more questions. 2004, 7, 8, thrice the question appear in the exam. Short notes on deep discount bonds. Next. Short notes on secured premium note. Secured premium note. It is issued along with secured premium note are issued along with a detachable warrant. And it is redeemable after a notified period, along with the detachable warrant they'll issue. After one particular point of time, they will redeem. Conversion of detachable warrant into equity share is also possible. We can be in the position to do the convert into equity shares of this particular bond. This question also, 2 more question. Next question. Explain. ECB. ECB stands for external commercial borrowings. External commercial borrowing. It refers to the commercial loan. Commercial loans availed non-resident lender. Non-resident lender. Maturity period. Minimum maturity period 3 years. 3 years of minimum maturity period. Here, borrowers can raise ECB, external commercial borrowing, by way of international bank, or by way of international capital markets, or by way of multinational, multiracial financial institutions. That ECB may be two ways. One is automatic route. Two ways are that issue. One is automatic route. Another one is approve route. Approval route. Two ways are there. Approval route represent RBI approval is necessary. Whereas automatic route, no need for RBI approval. So either by way of approve route or by way of automatic route it will come. Next. Fourteenth question. Explain.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can I be back in 10 minutes, sir?
Yes.
Sorry, sir.
Explain agency costs. With respect to agency cost, mock test paper question. MTP they asked the mock test paper. For agency cost here represent, the entity
Sir,
maybe
volume low.
yes. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The entity may be sole proprietor or partnership firm will be there. In case of sole proprietor, owner having the direct control over the business. Whether sole proprietor or partnership, the partners or owners having the direct control over the business. But in case of corporates, companies, owners are not active in management. Owner not having the actively participate in the management. Take any company, shareholders or owner mean shareholders going to work? No. So owners may not having what? Direct control over the company or directly what? Participating in the work. So there is a separation between owner and manager. Here owner is different, manager is different. In case of sole proprietor, both are same only. But in case of company, owners may be the shareholders and the managers may be the directors and other person. So the manager is only going to run the company. In that circumstance, the impact is, in theory, we can say manager should act in the best interest of shareholders. If you are the company's manager, you have to work the best interest of the shareholders. That may be theoretically may possible, but in reality, manager may try to maximize their individual goal. If you are the manager of the company, you may go into show the interest with respect to individual goals. Individual goals represent what? You may going to increase the salary or other benefits, incentives, perquisites, allowances, because company only going to pay. Therefore, directors or manager may going to loot the company's fund in direct manner. So manager is different, owner is different. When compared to owner, manager may going to take more salary or more income. Directly or indirectly, they're going to stifle the company's money. Principal agent relationship. The principal agent relationship between manager and owner. The principal agent relationship between the manager and the owner will be there. In that circumstance, they won't consider they are going to be there the owner. In that circumstance, agency problem is the chance that manager may place personal goal ahead. Individual goal will be superior than of goal of owners. So owner's goal becomes secondary, personal goal may going to get increase. So manager goal will be greater than owner's goal, because manager only going to run the company. He want to take more income. That particular concept is called agency problem, because somebody is doing act as a agent to run the company. They will create the problem. That cost, what and all they are going to loot, is called agency cost. Agency cost is the additional cost borne by the shareholders to monitor the managers. To monitor the manager, we have to incur additional costs. That cost called agency cost. It may be 4 types. One is by way of monitoring. Another one by way of bonding. Third one is opportunity. And fourth one is structuring. Monitoring, bonding, opportunity, and structuring. Okay. How to have the control over the same? So, however, following efforts we needed, or we have to implement for the purpose of agency cost. What and all we have to do? Managerial compensation linked with profit. You are running the company, I am the owner of the company. Then how to control the cost? Your salary or compensation per course is based on profit. If you are going to increase more profit, you will get more incentive or more bonus. Therefore, company also will develop, and managers' remuneration also going to develop, so that we can be in the position to minimize unnecessary cost. Second one, we can introduce employee stock option. Employee stock option plan we can introduce. Third one, effective monitoring is important. These are all the things we have to consider for agency cost. Next question. Explain venture capital financing. The most important question, very frequently asked question. Almost 7-8 times this question has come. 5 to 7 mark for that question. Venture capital financing, also called venture capital funding. With respect to venture capital funding, yesterday we come across seed capital assistance, bridge finance. The last session we come across seed capital assistance and bridge finance. Seed capital assistance is for whom?
Professionals.
Professionals, technical.
Whereas bridge finance is for whom?
Business people.
People.
With respect to venture capital, you know, venture itself represents what? New business is called venture. Am I right? That too, risky business. New business, risky business. So it should be the new one and the riskier one. Who will do the business? By qualified entrepreneur. Qualified person, he is going to undertake new and riskier business. That is called venture capital. New venture I want to do means what? Risky business. Or for example, because of the COVID, I am going to do some research. I want to create some tablet or medicine or vaccine. Then I should be a qualified person. It's a new venture for me and riskier for also. Risk represent what? After investing the fund, I may not able to find the medicine also. Chances are there or not? Is it possible for me to give any guarantee? Is it
No, sir.
possible? No guarantee. Am I right?
No, sir.
Success may happen or may not happen. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Try my best. For that, I should be a qualified person. I should be in the position to accept the new venture, and I have to accept the risk also. That's why it's called venture capital finance. With respect to venture capital, methods of venture capital finance. This segment itself, past exam question, many times they ask. With respect to methods of venture capital, 4 different methods are there. For example, venture capital. Suppose our Madhavan is there here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Madhavan want to do some business. He's got bored with respect to studying CA course. Okay, Madhav.
Yes, sir.
So he want to escape from CA. Therefore, he went to EA escape, Express only. Okay. After watching movie from Escape, nearby only beach is there. He went to beach and he want to relax. And he started thinking which business we can do so that I can become what? Multi-millionaire. And he has decided some nice idea. Mute Pachuko. Some nice idea came. Madhavan has decided, anyway, I got some nice idea. I want to do the business. But to do the business, I need support from political background also, so that I can get more money. Without politician support, very difficult to survive that too in Tamil Nadu. So he went to meet a politically strong person, and very great difficulty identify who is a CM, because day by day CM is what changing, and upcoming CM is better than what available CM now. That is also equally important. After based on merit rating, all available status, okay. Everybody, even Thermocol want to become a chief minister now. Clear. Everybody want to become all scientists and all want to become chief minister. So, and based on the available data, he has decided we can go and meet him. Our OPS is a upcoming chief minister, chances are there based on the merits. We can go and meet him. Already he was there 2-3 times. Almost what he was become what occupied the seat. And anyway, is a temporary person only. Then, like our UPS, till the power has come, there is no use. Till the other person going to get the power, he is a temporary person. Why don't you meet that person to get the do the new venture? And our Madhavan went and meet. He got the appointment. Sir, I am having new idea. For that, I need 100 crores rupees. Madhavan need 100 crores rupees for the new business. Madhavan is having idea and OPS is having money. So both the person, they want to do the business, venture capital they want to do. And before that, OPS asked, tell me, what business you want to do? I was fed up with the CA course. I went to beach. There only I got the idea. So much of water is there in the beach. So it got wasted. Therefore, I'm having new idea with respect to how I would like to convert the water into quarter, because government is more focused with respect to most important precious item alcohol only. That is a major survival for the government. Shamelessly they are doing. So they are not bothering about food, they are not bothering about education, they are not bothering about what COVID vaccine, but they are more interested to what? Open the alcohol shops only, liquor shop only. So anyway, all educated people will do always like that only. That's the reason educated persons are ruling the government. So their area of interest always like that only. So why don't you convert the water into quarter? I am having nice idea, sir. And we can do the door delivery also. App also we can create like pizza, burger and all. You can click the app, automatically we can do the door delivery. That is also nice. Sooner or later, like water connection, we'll have the water. Liquor connection also for all the, we'll make them compulsory to water, drink the alcohol daily basis. These are all the idea. Government can form any rule. Okay. So like wearing helmet is come mandatory. Okay. Similarly, what wearing mask is mandatory. Daily drinking alcohol is mandatory. Otherwise, we can what? Pay extra tax also. We'll do some idea, new idea. So why don't you convert the water into quarter? For that, I'm having 100 crores worth of projects. That too, whenever if you want to sell the product, that too in Tamil Nadu, brand image is important. You know, previous generation and all, Amma Vanavagam, okay, Amma cement, Amma water bottle, clear everything the name of what? Amma. Or we have to pay what? Talabadi. So some name we need, right? Similarly, for you, already you are having earned brand is there. You don't need to worry about other people and all. You don't need to difficult to create the brand because your brand is already well established. Paneer Pakoda, Paneer Soda, Paneer Butter Masala. Already Paneer is very famous. Branded image is there for you. So Paneer alcohol, okay? Paneer quarter we can sell. So that easy for that to reach the people. For that, how many crores we have to invest?
100 crores.
100 crores. Okay. Now, out of 100 crores, you can invest 49 crores. As an investor, he has to invest, OPS has to invest 49 crores. Okay. Now, why 49 crores? What is the logic behind the same? Why?
Sir, the
Acquisition.
entrepreneur will have a
Control,
majority stake, sir.
51%.
Interest. That is called what? Substantial interest. 51% you supposed to hold, okay, above 50%. Remaining only other investor. Then only you'll have the control, okay. Now, so for example, he is having 51 crores and he's Madhavan is going to invest 51 crores, substantial interest, remaining 49 from our OPS. That too by way of equity share capital. So I will give the equity shares, issue the equity share, you can invest the money so that 49 crores you can invest, sir. In turn, he said, that and all okay, but I am also studied a little, okay. 5 years I studied third standard. Therefore, I am also knowledge over the equity shares and all. If I am going to invest the money in equity share, what are the return out of it?
Dividend.
Dividend. When you will pay the dividend?
When I earn profits.
Only if you are going to earn profit. That too, you studied CA. Definitely, you won't show profit at all. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, I won't get any return. Therefore, I am worrying only with all politicians will worry about what? Money, money, money only. Therefore, if I'm going to invest, there is no benefit at all. I don't want to invest. Okay, sir. If you are not interested to give the money by way of equity shares, then you can invest the money by way of conditional loan. What is called a conditional loan? If I am going to invest the money, the 49 lakhs, if you are going to give by way of loan, what I have to pay?
Interest.
Interest. Instead of paying interest, I'll pay royalty. Why royalty? Royalty is based on turnover. Am I right or not? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So interest is a fixed in nature. Royalty is based on what? Sales.
Turnover.
Some percentage, some commission like sales commission, that is called royalty. Therefore, huge income you can get. No. That and all okay, pa. But if I'm going to invest this new venture, because it's a risky venture, new venture, if I'm going to invest the money in risky and a new venture, is it possible to get the sales immediately?
No, sir.
Not possible. Like mining business. So few years we have to dig, we'll get the sand only. Am I right? Immediately we won't get the return. Therefore, we have to wait for some considerable year. Suppose I'm going to sit and create a medicine as a scientist. It may be for cancer. It may be for what? Corona. Then there is no guarantee today I'm going to sit, tomorrow I'm going to get the solution. Am I right or not? It will need some various number of years also you may go. Therefore, Thereafter only product will come. Thereafter only I can sell the product. Therefore, it needs some considerable time. Therefore, sales may not going to happen immediately. Then till that time, 2-3 years, I may not get any income. No. Then where is the guarantee I can get back the income? Therefore, I'm not interested with respect to one conditional loan also. Okay, sir, you are more interested with respect to income only. No, you can give the money instead of buying the shares, instead of giving as a loan, you can give it as a income note. By way of income note, the another way to what? Give the money. What is called income note? You are having guaranteed income by way of interest and by way of royalty. Both you will get. So, interest, whether a sales is there or not, periodic basis you will get the interest. The moment turnover is there, royalty also you can get. So, both you can get. So that happily guaranteed benefit will be there. Or another alternative also there, participating debentures. In general, debenture holder not having right to participate, am I right? But
Yes.
here you can invest the money by way of participating debenture. Participating debenture, we are converting phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3, 3 different phases. Phase 1, now only I'm going to start the phase, okay, starting phase. Therefore, nil interest. Thereafter, phase 2, now only business has developed, okay, business started and the business just picked up. Therefore, low rate of interest. And third one, final stage. And the product has established in the market, I can sell the product all over place. Therefore, high interest I will pay. Because the first 2 phases you are waited for me, you will get the return in the third phase, huge income also, huge rate of interest I will pay. So these are all the 4 different methods with respect to venture capital financing. Highly risky venture going to accept by qualified entrepreneur. For that he need money. So knowledge is there and the money and the knowledge has to both there. For that purpose, how to get the fund? By way of 4 different methods are there with respect to venture capital. By way of equity share capital, by way of conditional loan, by way of income note, and by way of participating debenture. These are all the 4 different ways are there. All are comfortable, Kanam?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next important question. Question number 15.
16.
16. 16th question also important question. Debt securitization. Debt securitization, very famous question. Frequently asked 6 to 7 mark question. Debt securitization represent financial transaction in which assets are pooled, nothing but grouped. Assets are pooled. We are going to group the asset, that is called pooling of assets. Financial assets. What is called financial assets? Receivables, mortgage, loan, okay, any credits, balance, if any credit card balance, okay, the debtor. So what and all receivables are asset sides there, even higher purchase, okay, everything is called financial assets, are transferred into securities. They are going to transfer into securities. Pool of assets is sold to a company for an immediate cash payment. For the purpose of immediate cash payment, the pool of assets are sold to the company. That company, based on pool of assets pool, the company, it will issues securities. Here it is called special purpose vehicle. The assets pool is called special purpose vehicle. The special purpose vehicle is for the purpose of issuing securities. It is in general, the debt securitization in general, without recourse in nature. You know, with recourse and without recourse, already we come across at the time of factoring. Securitization, nothing but debt securitization, is different from factoring. Both are not one and same, but similar to factoring. It's a little different from factoring. For the purpose of debt securitization, here the party originator, the party name is originator, gives various loans to different borrowers, and the borrower have to repay the loan in EMI. These EMIs are called financial assets for the borrower. That only they are going to group into pool of assets. The second process is a process with respect to debt securitization. Financial assets, the receivables, the special purpose vehicle pays the originator immediately in cash. Assets are asset transferred or termed securitized assets. The transferred assets are called secured, nothing but securitized assets. Based on that, the process of debt securitization functions. What could be the benefit out of debt securitization? The assets are shifted off the balance sheet because you are shifting into what? Special purpose vehicle, they are converting into cash. It converts non-liquid assets into liquid assets. Non-liquid asset, it converted into liquid portfolio, because the receivable we are going to convert into asset pool. By way of asset pool, you are going to get the cash. Therefore, non-liquid asset we are converting into liquid portfolio. It's a better balance sheet management. It's a better balance sheet management. Based on that, credit rating of the company will get increase. Company's credit rating will get increased because of the same. Next, to have the better clarity, you know factoring and debt securitization. It's similar to factoring, but not both are same. The difference between factoring and debt securitizations are the factor. Who is the person called the factor? Borrower or giver?
Giver.
Borrower.
Giver, sir.
Giver.
Giver.
The
Giver.
factor, yes, purchases the receivable. Okay, factor purchases the receivable, nothing but accounts receivable. Here where company to which underlined pool of assets sold, pool of assets sold is called special purpose vehicle here. The firm which sells its receivable is called what? The firms which sells receivable is called factor. Give the money. Who is get the money?
Borrower.
Borrower. Whereas here, company which sells the underlined pool of asset is called what? Originator. The borrower here called what? Originator. The next difference, the factoring may be grouped into disclosed factoring and undisclosed factoring. Another one is
Recourse, non-recourse.
recourse and non-recourse factoring. Whereas
Only non-recourse.
debt securitization only by way of what? Without recourse, non-recourse. Okay. Next, investor. It involves, factoring involves transferring debt without transforming them into securities. Here we are not going to convert into securities. Whereas here, debt securitization involve transfer of debt after transforming them into securities only. After converting securities only, the function will be over. Factoring is a long-term or short-term arrangement?
Short term.
You come across in working capital, that it's a short-term. It's a short-term source of finance. Whereas debt securitization, if you are going to convert into cash, it's a long-term or short-term? It's a long-term source of. Understood? Next question. So, when factoring and debt securitization is a frequently asked question. 16th question, debt securitization, am I right? And 17th, factoring. What now?
The first point was factoring.
Solranga. So 17th question, will you know them? Debt securitization is the 16th question, am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
17th is factor.
Yes, sir.
Then we can go for 18. Types of packing credit. With respect to packing credit, it's a frequently asked 4-mark question. Broadly, 2 types are there. Pre-shipment finance. Another one is post-shipment finance. Under pre-shipment finance, the packing credit may be clean packing credit, packing credits against hypothecation, packing credits against pledge, ECGC guarantee, and forward exchange contract. Forward exchange contract. Under post shipment, discounting of DO documentary bill, discounting of documentary bill, ECGC guarantee, again ECGC guarantee, it's applicable for both pre and post. Advance against export bill, and advance against duty drawback. Advance again duty drawback. Next. Foreign bonds. The next question is various types of foreign bonds. Question number 19. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Types of foreign bonds. One is foreign currency convertible bond. Foreign currency convertible bond. Plain vanilla bond. Convertible floating rate note. Convertible floating rate note. Drop lock bond. Convertible floating rate is a long term in nature. Drop off is a short term bond. Fifth one, variable rate. Variable rate demand obligation. Sixth one, yield curve note. Yield curve note. Seventh one, Yankee bond. Don't write donkey. Euro bond. Samurai bond. And bulldog bond. Enjoying bond's name? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
At least foreign bond's name comparatively okay. The next question, another funny question. 20th question. Types of Indian bonds. The Indian mentality, happily you can be the Pushno by way of the first bond itself, masala bond. The masala movie are seri, okay. All are scientists in our India. Masala bond. Municipal bond. After purchasing bond, we can't tell to others also, I am having masala bond. Third one, government or treasurer bank. Treasury bond. One bond name is comparatively okay. So types of Indian bond. At least 1 point you will get by way of first point. Am I right? What's Srihari? Next. Short notes on question number
21, sir.
okay. Short notes on CFRN. Just two more questions. It's an Indian bond or foreign bond?
Foreign bond.
Foreign bond.
CFRN stands for what?
Convertible floating rate.
Convertible floating rate notes. Okay. CFRN. Okay. With an option for the holder. Option for the holder to convert convert it into long-term debt security with a specified coupon. With the option for the holder to convert into long-term debt security. Conversion represents what they are converting into long-term debt security. Further, they'll give the coupon also. Kit products. Falling interest rate. Investor can be in the position to save from fall in the interest rate. It can be sold in the market, open market. And capital gain is not applicable for our CFR. Capital gain is also not applicable. It's a long-term bond. And the last question. Short notes on your famous masala bond. With respect to masala bond, it can sell to investors in overseas market. Outside India, overseas market we can sell. Next, that is issued outside India, but denominated in INR, that is rupees. Enjoyed? Nice.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.